In this comprehensive guide, step by step, we will guide you through the process of changing your TikTok username before the standard 30-day period expires. Whether you're an artist looking to rebrand or simply want to surprise your followers with a fresh name, this tutorial will assist you in achieving that quickly and effortlessly. Without further delay, let's embark on the journey towards a new TikTok username. Open your TikTok application on your phone. The next step, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on Edit Profile in the middle of the screen and click on Username here. It states that you can change your username only once every 30 days. This can sometimes be inconvenient if you want to change your username immediately. What we will do is go back to your profile, then click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, click on the last option Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the option Report a Problem, and when you find it, click on it. In the search bar, type username, click on the first topic, and you will receive an explanation about the username and different rules. This is not necessary for us. What we need is the option at the bottom of the screen. Is your problem resolved? Simply click on No. Then click on Need More Help. This will open a page where you can send feedback. You want to write to the TikTok team and explain that you accidentally changed your username and want to revert it as soon as possible. Tell them that the app doesn't allow changes before the 30-day period and kindly ask them to resolve your issue. Once you've sent the message, the TikTok team should respond to you as soon as possible. After that message, you should be able to change your TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. We hope we've been of assistance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.